Sometimes you'll be using ChatGPT, and sometimes you may have generated results using ChatGPT. Sometimes it'll be in text form. If it's a long answer, you won't feel like reading that whole thing, but you might want to listen to it instead. In ChatGPT, if you've already generated a result as text, and if you want to listen to that result as audio, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. First, open the ChatGPT application. After that, select any chat. For example, I've asked some questions here, and if you wanted to listen to that voice, you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you click on it,
നമുക്ക് ChatGPTയോട് ഇങ്ങനെ സംസാരിക്കാം. ആദ്യം ഉപയോഗിക്കുമ്പോൾ ചില അനുമതികൾ നൽകേണ്ടി വരും.
ChatGPT starts reading everything for you. And one thing, sometimes in your chat, you won't be able to see this icon because the result was generated using live chat. So it shows that sign. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting another chat, and here you can see a button like this because this result I generated using text. Anyway, when you click on this button, you can hear the answer. So this way, you can easily listen to any answer generated by ChatGPT. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.